When demanding industries need a welding partner they can rely on, they turn to Welding Alloys. For this project, the challenge was clear. 830 boiler superheater tubes, fully cladded within 60 days, with around 11 tons of welding wire deposited. To deliver at this scale, our teams mobilized multiple automated welding stations, enabling consistent, high-quality cladding across a high volume of tubes. Each pass was supported by welding expertise developed over decades, combining process knowledge as well as automation and application experience. The project used Welding Alloys welding consumables, selected for demanding high temperature and high corrosion environments. Quality checks were carried out throughout the process, including non-destructive testing and dimensional measurement to verify the consistency of the cladding. In power generation, boiler superheater tubes are exposed to severe heat and corrosion. Welding Alloys cladding solutions help extend their working life and improve reliability in demanding operating conditions, supporting the power plants that power the world. Welding Alloys, built to last since 1966.